What if we can show you tricks that speeds up your air fryer cooking? First, take a small lid, then grab a handful of cherry tomatoes. Snap them off gently and place them inside the lid, like you're solving a mini puzzle. Next, place a second lid on top and press it down gently. In the end, slice right through the middle. Boom! Perfectly halved tomatoes in seconds. No rolling, no chasing, just a pure magic. Now grab one zucchini, trim off both ends and slice it right down the middle. Clean and easy. Then, place a skewer or chopstick alongside it and make about 20 slices. And that way, when you slice, you won't cut all the way through. Then, remove the stick and cut every second slice, so you end up with about 10 thick pieces. In the end, they will open up just enough to add some filling, like zucchini pockets. Grab your air fryer basket and line it with parchment paper. Spray the surface with a little olive oil and brush it a bit. In a mixing bowl, crack in 4 eggs. Add a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Whisk it all together until combined. Friends, what do you love cooking more, meat or veggies? Let us know in the comments. We'll keep it in mind for future recipes. Next, let's grab some cheese, Gouda or Parmesan, and grate about 1/2 cup finely. Then take a bit of cheese and stuff it into each zucchini slice. Place each piece onto the parchment-lined basket by leaving some space between. Repeat these steps with all your zucchini chunks. Once they're all in, grab your egg mixture and pour gently over the top. This will help everything hold together while it bakes. Now place 1 halved cherry tomato on top of each zucchini piece. Optionally, add a sprinkle of leftover shredded cheese on top, just for that extra melty finish we all secretly want. Slide the basket into your air fryer and set it to 330 degrees Fahrenheit or 165 degrees Celsius and cook for 12 minutes. While that's cooking, in a clean bowl, scoop in the flesh from 1 ripe avocado. Mash it gently with a fork. Don't worry, it doesn't need to be perfectly smooth. Dice up 1 medium tomato and add it in. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that's great for your skin and heart. Also, they will bring a juicy, fresh balance to this mix. Then finely chop half a red onion and toss that in too. Chop a small handful of fresh parsley. It adds a nice pop of green and a fresh, herby note to the mix. Toss it in, and you'll see how it instantly wakes everything up. Grate in a little lemon zest for brightness. Then drizzle in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Give everything a good mix. This is going to be your new favorite spread. Light, fresh, and packed with flavor. Meanwhile, our main dish is ready, and just look at that. Golden tops, bubbling cheese, and tomatoes that look like they're ready to burst. Anything you'd add to this recipe? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to try your twist in the next recipe. Now, grab 2 slices of bread, sourdough or whatever you like. Pop them in the air fryer at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for about 3 minutes and have them crispy and golden. Or just use your toaster if that's quicker, right? This recipe is simple, fresh, and full of flavor. A little trick, a little cheese, and a lot of love from your air fryer. It's the kind of meal that feels fancy but takes barely any effort. This topping goes a long way. This creamy avocado mix turns plain toast into something you actually look forward to. It's fresh, it's vibrant, and it pulls the whole plate together. Let us know how it turns out for you. Maybe you added a twist to the toast topping or spiced up the main recipe. We'd love to hear your ideas in the comments. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more cozy cooking together. And we'll see you in the next one.